Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about, as you can see in the description, the next event for the channel. I wanted to explain some serious things with y'all. I got a lot on my mind right now. Woo! We got a lot to talk about today. I'm in a parking lot right now in a certain area, and we'll get to that in a sec, but I just wanted to explain to you guys why I haven't made any videos lately. Truth is, I did make a video about half a week ago, but for some reason it did not format correctly. My editing software will not take the footage. So basically what that video was about, we basically did a tutorial on putting some new spark plugs in the truck because it was misfiring very bad lately, and I think I know why. When me and Jeff came back from Houston, we did have a problem on the way back to Dallas. I'm gonna just play you guys this clip real quick. So we're on our way back to Dallas, right? And I was driving and I hit fourth gear trying to pass some cars with the trailer and immediately just lost power and the engine light came on. So I still have oil pressure. Don't know what the problem is now, but I guarantee you I probably did something to it. You gotta love these road trips, don't you? We're gonna drive her and we're gonna see what happens. So yeah, as you can see from the video, the truck was misfiring hella bad, and when we got back and finally changed spark plugs, apparently 3 to 4 spark plugs were burnt. So we fixed that, nice and dandy. That's basically what the video was about. I'm gonna do my best to try to get that video out so you guys can see, but let me go ahead and step out of the truck real quick. All right guys, so in today's video, as you see in the description, we are revealing the next huge event for the channel. We are actually going to another YouTuber's event, and his name is Itsjusta6. It is called the Money Shift. Here's the flyer right here at Extreme Raceway Park in Ennis, Dallas, Texas, because as you know, we pretty much are in the Dallas area. We're gonna check this event out. This is absolutely gonna be a huge event, and guys, y'all have to come out. Y'all don't want to miss it at all. It's not just gonna be him. We got Demonology coming out there. Staying Mode is coming out there. I can't believe he's driving his Mustang all the way from California coming down to the event. That's absolutely insane. The reason why I'm really excited for is that we have a new crew that's going to be out there. We are possibly going to be racing McQueen the first time. So with that being said, y'all can't miss this event at all. Guys, come on out there if you want to come meet us and everything. That'd be great. There's going to be a lot of racing. There's actually going to be some actual classes going on. Even if we don't race the truck, we still have the MVX15. It's still kicking hard. It's kicking beautifully. I even thought about taking it to an audio shop in the next few days and maybe getting a wide range tune on it to get a little more power out of it. I might be doing that. So if you want to come out here and do some demos with the audio system, I'd be happy to show you guys. But anyway guys, that's pretty much it with that event. Girl Leela is holding the camera right now. She's gonna be out there as well, helping us, and we also got some new members who are coming as well. So yeah, we're actually gonna have a full crew this time. I can't wait. We're gonna try to get a booth set up and everything too, if we can. Before I end today's video, I wanted to make a reveal with you guys to see what you guys think about it, and let's go walk over here and let's actually show you guys what it actually is. So as you guys probably don't know, Leela here actually works at UFIT here in one of my hometowns, and the reason why we're here today is because we have had the idea of possibly hosting our very first car meet here in this park. I'm trying to get the okay and everything, but I think it'd be actually pretty cool. It's actually pretty exciting to have the opportunity to do our first meet for the channel. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If this event was to actually happen, we would probably do it in the November time, perhaps. I'm not too certain. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So let me know what you guys think overall, and that's pretty much it. So I'll talk to you guys later.